exposing the secrets to mastering the stock market without spending a penny. Imagine being able to navigate the complex world of trading, understanding the nuances of stock movements and making informed decisions, all without the fear of losing your hard-earned money. This is the beauty of simulated trading, a practice ground where you can hone your skills and build confidence. Here are the top paper trading platforms for beginners. These platforms are designed to provide a realistic trading experience, allowing you to practice and learn without any financial risk. Whether you're a complete novice or someone looking to refine their strategies, these platforms offer a safe and educational environment. So, you're curious about trading but not ready to risk your hard-earned cash? No problem. Many people feel the same way when they first start. The fear of losing money can be a significant barrier to entry. But with paper trading, you can overcome this hurdle. You can experiment with different strategies, learn from your mistakes, and gain valuable insights without any financial consequences. Paper trading platforms let you practice with virtual money. This means you can make trades, track your performance, and see how your decisions would play out in the real market, all while using virtual currency. It's like having a flight simulator for trading, where you can practice and perfect your skills before taking off in the real world. Here's our top picks for getting started. These platforms have been carefully selected based on their features, ease of use, and educational resources. They provide a comprehensive learning experience, making them ideal for beginners who want to build a strong foundation in trading. First up, the Investopedia Stock Simulator. Perfect for beginners, it offers real-time stock prices and customizable games. The Investopedia Stock Simulator is a fantastic tool for those who are new to trading. It provides a realistic trading environment where you can practice buying and selling stocks using real-time data. The customizable games allow you to create your own trading scenarios, making the learning process both fun and engaging. You can trade stocks and ETFs while learning directly from educational resources. Investopedia is known for its extensive library of educational content, and the stock simulator is no exception. You can access articles, tutorials, and videos that cover a wide range of topics, from basic trading concepts to advanced strategies. This makes it an excellent platform for building your knowledge and skills. Just sign up, create a game, and start trading. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. You can set up your account in minutes and start exploring the various features and tools available. Whether you want to practice day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, the Investopedia Stock Simulator has you covered. Next on the list is Thinkorswim by TD London. This pro-level platform includes a paper method, letting you trade stocks, options, and futures with virtual currency. Thinkorswim is a powerful trading platform that offers a wide range of tools and features for both beginners and experienced traders. The paper money feature allows you to practice trading in a simulated environment using virtual currency to make trades and test your strategy. Dive into advanced charting and real time. Thinkorswim provides access to advanced charting tools and real-time markets, giving you a comprehensive view of the market. You can analyze price movements, identify trends, and make informed decisions based on the latest information. This level of detail and accuracy is invaluable for developing your trading skills. It's like trading in the big leagues without the risk. Thinkorswim's paper money feature allows you to experience the thrill and challenge of professional trading without the financial risk. You can experiment with different strategies, learn from your mistakes, and build your confidence, all in a safe and supportive environment. Moving on to Wall Street Survivor, this one combines simulated trading with interactive courses and fantasy leagues. Wall Street Survivor is a unique platform that offers a blend of simulated trading, educational content, and competitive elements. You can participate in interactive courses that cover various aspects of trading and investing, and join fantasy leagues where you can compete with other traders for real prizes. Ideal for beginners, you can compete for real prizes while learning the basics of investing. Wall Street Survivor makes learning to trade fun and engaging. The competitive aspect adds an extra layer of excitement, motivating you to improve your skills and perform better. Plus, the opportunity to win real prizes provides an additional incentive to participate and excel. Create a free account and join the fun. Getting started with Wall Street Survivor is easy. You can create a free account, explore the various courses and leagues, and start trading in a simulated environment. The platform's user-friendly interface and engaging content make it an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn and grow. Lastly, we have TradingView's paper trading feature. Known for its advanced charting tools, TradingView lets you simulate trades across various markets: stocks, forex, even crypto. TradingView is a versatile platform that offers a wide range of tools and features for traders of all levels. The paper trading feature allows you to practice trading in different markets, using advanced charting tools to analyze price movements and make informed decisions. Follow other traders and share strategies. TradingView's social features allow you to connect with other traders, share your strategies and learn from the community. You can follow experienced traders, see their trades and analyses, and gain valuable insights that can help you improve your own trading skills. It's a social way to learn and grow. The collaborative environment of TradingView makes it an excellent platform for learning and growth. You can engage with other traders, participate in discussions and share your experiences, all while practicing your trading skills in a simulated environment. So there you have it. These 4 platforms offer a comprehensive and engaging way to learn and practice trading without any financial risk. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, these platforms provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. 4 fantastic platforms to help you practice and polish your trading skills risk-free. Each platform has its unique features and strengths, catering to different learning styles and preferences. By exploring these platforms, you can find the one that best suits your needs and start your dive in. Happy